It's me again, Handy Sir, at your service. So before I start my vlog, I just want to shout out with my friend Johnny L. Birao. So good luck to your journey today, my friend. So we'll see each other in school. Anyway, so today I think it is still in line with my content with that I have to deliver my finished product, the laptop disk, to my customer. So from my house, I have to bring it to her, to our meeting place in Silay. So I have to deliver the item in good hand, and then I am assuming that my customer will receive it also in good hand. So I hope that we will meet each other later at the right time, because being a carpenter and being a man, it is very important that we need to comply whatever commitment that we said to our customer. So it's not about carpentry job, but it is more on values of a person, in order for him that from time to time uh, he has a regular customer. So right now we are going to load this laptop disk on my car, so that I can tie it and bring it to its destination. Okay? Right now I am almost half on my way going to the destination of my customer. So approximately it is 25 kilometer from my house going to the meeting area. So I am hoping that I can be there safely, and we will see each other later. Actually, we know each other, but this is the first time that she ordered a sort of my made product. So I am excited if what should be her reaction later. So, I have to continue driving, guys. Right now we are entering the city of Silay. So this is where we will meet. Maybe it is only 2 kilometers from where I am now. So sooner we will see each other. customer is waiting for me to receive my handmade product, which is the laptop desk. So we are going to find her. Success guys, we are done delivering laptop desk. So I am hoping that I can start my new project later. So watch out guys.